Welcome to alux.com, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. Hey Aluxers, we know how many of you would like to work from home or are currently looking for a job, so why not take full advantage of the age we live in and work from home? In this alux.com original video, we're going to go through a few options, and who knows, maybe one of them will spark an idea. Let's get started. Number 10, tax preparer. Median salary, $31,000. You all know tax season, so you must imagine that being a tax preparer is a seasonal job, from January until the end of April. That can easily be done from your home. Tax preparers are asked to work weekends or maybe even evenings and weekdays, but you can choose the time that works best for you and for your schedule. Number 9, graphic designer. Median salary, $42,000. If you have a good eye on what's appealing to a customer, what would look good together, and you can draw, then why don't you become a graphic designer? You can work in a domain that you want, like marketing, technology, commercial industries, and others, right from your home. Of course, you might have to meet clients, but you can do pretty much everything from home, such as decide on the designs, guidelines, conduct the research you need, draw, improve the design, etc. Number 8, public relations specialist. Median salary, $51,000. A PR's job is to generate positive publicity for their clients and make their public reputation as good as it gets. An important part of a public relations specialist is knowing how to use social media such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other platforms because they're working close to bloggers, journalists, and media. The things that you can do from home if you are a PR are preparing your materials such as story pitches, press releases, or online interviews. Number 7, writers and author. Median salary, $55,000. Bloggers, authors, journalists, they are all writers in different ways, and if you decide to take this path, you can work from home for sure. There's no need to explain why novel authors can totally work from home. It's kind of self-explanatory, right? You can write whenever you feel inspired to because it's your story, and you can publish it anytime you want. That is, if your publisher doesn't pressure you. If you are not an author and you go for the media side of writing, you might have to go to an office from time to time, but the things you can do from home are countless, including research, preparing your stories, having all the materials ready, or promote your writing on social media. All you need is a laptop and you're good. Number 6, post-secondary teacher. Median salary, $59,000. Since the online world is expanding and evolving as we speak, it's only normal for teachers to get involved in this environment too. Post-secondary teachers are those lucky ones who can stay at home, drink their coffee, and tutor students through the internet. They can communicate with people all over the world and give them advice using video conference, phone call, or email, making it easier and more convenient for both themselves and the student. Number 5, market and survey researcher. Median salary, $61,000. In order to be successful, companies are constantly trying to figure out which products sell the best or appeal most to the public. And that's when a market and survey researcher comes in. The job requires you to analyze and study market conditions for the companies in order to improve the effectiveness of their marketing and business strategies. Number 4, registered nurse. Median salary, $62,000. I know what you're thinking. How can someone be a nurse and take care of people from home? Well, it's possible. Nurses don't necessarily need to work long hours in a hospital. They can also work in a medical call center doing telephone triage or help coordinate care plans and providing care assessment. Also, if you're a registered nurse, working from home, you can recruit new employees to fill open positions. Number 3, computer software engineer. Median salary, $85,000. Commonly trained in different technologies, computer software engineers are really well paid even if they work from home. They usually report their work back to a team or a management structure. If you decide to follow this job, you will create packaged software and customize applications. Some of the certification programs to become a computer software engineer include Cisco and Microsoft training. But don't imagine it's all fun and a lot of money. Statistics say that 17% of computer software engineers work more than 50 hours a week, even if they are home-based. So think twice about choosing this job. Number 2, financial manager. Median salary, $99,000. Even though it might not seem possible, in some cases, financial managers can do part of their work from home. Their main responsibilities are to oversee the finances of companies or agencies and provide financial reports. If you want to pursue this job, you need to know that in order to complete all of the financial analysis, you must be time efficient, even if you decide to do all the work from home. Financial managers usually have a degree in finance, economics, business administration, or accounting. Number 1, physician and radiologist, median salary $186,000. Again, probably as surprising as nursing, being either a physician or a radiologist, working from home is possible. Working from home will require file reviews such as completing peer reviews, writing reports, or authorizations. Of course, you can't do just that, so working in a clinic is the first step to take. Then, after you develop yourself a portfolio, you might bring in some revenue from reviewing patients' files. There are, of course, plenty of other jobs that you can do from home these days, from creating music, licensing artwork, or delivering web services, but these 10 have a strong background within the industry. Are you currently working from home? If not, do you think it's more fun working in an office than working from home? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for spending some time with us, Alexers. If you enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos which we recommend you watch next. If you're bored, you might want to check out our website, alex.com, for great articles or our Instagram or Facebook page. Thank you for being an Alexer.